We're standing here today in Oswald West State Park, the Cape Falcon Marine Reserve that goes from the sandy shore 3 nautical miles out into the ocean. Friends of Cape Falcon involve the public in citizen science monitoring of seabird colonies.
The first step is to find the seabird colonies. So Don is holding a chart of this nest that we monitor. It takes a lot of patience. You have to sit there and look at a nest until an adult moves. We try to count the number of eggs. And over time, we'll be able to see if those nests are successfully hatching young or if they're failing. You hear the Swainson's thrush singing above us? Like a spiraling kind of ethereal song. And that's the hermit warbler that just sang. Chicka, 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 zee. I'm hearing Wilson's warbler. They come up here in the summertime and breed. A lot of the species in that group of neotropical migrants are species of concern.
I think I see 8 pretty easily. It's that little white patch of whitewash. There's a bird on it sticking right in front of that rock. Can you see them pretty well?
Yeah, they're neat looking, aren't they?
What we're doing is watching them until they get off the nest so we can see inside and see how many eggs are in there or any chicks.
Oh, you can get all that detail, huh?
Yeah.
Today is an action day. Portland chapter of Surfrider, the Friends of Cape Falcon Marine Reserve, state parks, and also the Explore Nature Partnership are out at Oswald West State Park. The goal is that we all work together to do land-based stewardship projects that will benefit the park, but will also benefit the beach and the Cape Falcon Marine Reserve, which is right offshore.
The pillow is interesting. There's a piece of a shoe and just a bunch of random things.
We put people to work all over the state park today on a beautiful sunny day, which is really awesome.
Explore nature. Experience the beauty of our healthy lands and water. Join the fun.